Hey everybody, so let's get right into it. A lot of you asked me how to take out your locks when it's all done and dusted. So I'm going to be showing you how to take out your individual locks at the front. I think I'm due for a change now because my locks look like they're falling apart. Actually they're not, but I just feel like changing them now. What you're gonna do, just trying to zoom into it, grab the lock you want to take out. A lot of you, oh my god, look at all the grey hair, but anyway, let's ignore that. A lot of you, what you end up doing is cutting the locks. Nope, you don't want to do that because you might end up cutting your hair. So I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the lock. So just use your hands to unravel. That's what you're going to do. So the point of doing this unraveling is that at the end of it, see, straight away, my hair comes out of it. Straight away. Once you unravel, your hair should pop out. And once you see your hair, just try and unravel it more all the way to the top, close to where the knot is. Unravel it all the way there and pull your hair out of it to the side. So that's mine. And then what we're gonna do is you get your scissors and you cut up to here, because you can tell this is my hair here, this is the knot here, and this is where you want to cut. So let me show you how to do it. So you grab your scissors, get your hair out of the way, and then get your hair out of the way, and then just make sure, be careful, and snip out the hair. And now you've just got the little knot and your hair sticking out. Of course, the reason why you lose, like we cut it out, is because you don't end up using all of your locks. So the ones that are remaining is what we used to do, what I used to redo your singles next time you come back for your install. So I just take my comb and you just try and comb it off. And there you go. So now I've got my hair sticking out, and then you can just unravel your hair. So I'm going to show you that again quickly, and make sure you take your accessories out and keep them, because you might end up using it another time. So take the hair, unravel, like open it up. Sometimes the hair is gone really stiff, but you know, just try, and even if you have to pull on it just to get your hair out of it. So what I'm trying to do now is find my, there you go. So find my hair, that's my hair. Grab the scissors quickly, make sure that it's not anywhere close to your hair, and then just snip it off. And get your comb and just try and comb out the. So there are times that the knot you have there refuses to come out, because let's say because it's matted or something. So the best way to do it, rather than tugging on it or trying to comb it out, is you just start taking out your braids. So as soon as I start taking out my braids, what will automatically happen, let me just go gently. I'm gonna try and fast forward this bit. Under there, not knotted or anything like that. So two ways: either pull it out with your comb when you're done, or you undo your hair and then the knot comes out.